If you've been wondering about GoHighLevel's pricing structure and thinking, well, is it really worth it? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to go through all of their pricing tiers and explain what exactly you get, how it can actually benefit you, and which pricing plan you should choose depending on what your needs are. Oh, one last thing. There is an affiliate link in the description down below. If you want to get started with GoHighLevel and you have not yet, you can use the link that's located right there. So you may be wondering what you're actually getting when you are purchasing a subscription with GoHighLevel. So let us have a look at what you're paying, what you get, and why thousands of agencies in 2026 are calling it the best investment that they've ever made. Now, the first thing you need to understand is that there are three plans, right? So we've got the starter plan at $97 a month, and it works out to just under $1,000 a year, which really isn't a lot. You have the unlimited plan, which is $297 a month, and then the SaaS plan, which is $497 a month. Now, if you are a solo entrepreneur, if you have a small business and you want to get started with some really powerful software for $97 a month, it is a very good idea to use the starter plan. If you have a growing agency and you are managing multiple clients at scale, the unlimited plan really is the better option. If you're not managing any multiple clients, you're just sort of using it for your own agency, the starter plan will do fine. Now, if you are a reseller, okay, this allows you to resell GoHighLevel as your very own brand. And you basically rebrand absolutely everything and resell it as your very own product. And that is the SaaS Pro plan. So let's dive in a little bit more. So the starter plan, some of the highlights include the pipeline tracking, unlimited contacts and users, which is great, and a website and funnel builder. You can actually check out how to build a website with GoHighLevel's website builder. It is really easy to use and it gives you fantastic results. Then you get the email and SMS marketing. You also get appointment scheduling and an LC phone with call recording. And then you get up to 3 sub accounts. And this allows you to manage your own agency plus 2 clients. It's ideal if you are a freelancer, a consultant, or just wanting to test the waters and not spend too much money just yet before you start scaling. Now, you can see this actually replaces $300 to $500 a month in separate tools like CRM tools, an email platform, a funnel builder, a whole phone system, and a scheduler all combined. Let's have a look at the unlimited plan for $297. So here you get unlimited sub accounts, and this is great if you are managing multiple clients. You can onboard as many clients as you'd like, and there are no per account fees. This means that the only fee that you will be paying is $297. Now, if you are having multiple clients, these clients may be paying your subscription. So this is a very good idea to have a look into if you are managing multiple clients. You also get access to full API and advanced automation, deep integrations with workflow automations, and you are able to then streamline every single process. You also get the white label desktop app. This means you get custom branding, custom domains, and a fully branded experience for your clients to see as yours. This means when you are building a website, it does not look like GoHighLevel. It doesn't have any GoHighLevel stickers, footnotes, any avatars. It does not look anything like GoHighLevel. You can completely build it to look exactly the way you need it. One of the other advantages is the priority support. Now, in times of need, you want to make sure that you're able to access proper support at any time, no matter what region you're in. So you get faster response times when you're upgrading, and this will be very handy when you're in a tight spot. Having a look now at the SaaS Pro plan, some of the highlights here include, of course, all of the features previously mentioned in the 2 plans, plus everything else that you need to build and sell your own software company. Now, this may seem like a really big step, and you might be thinking, well, maybe it's not necessary, but this is what you actually get. So it is a full SaaS mode. So you get the ability to have your clients never ever see GoHighLevel branding at all. You get the white label mobile app. This means that your brand is in the App Store with automated client billing. It also means that you can set your own packages and margins for maximum revenue. This means that you can put a price on your product and you can sell it at whatever you would like to sell it at. And again, I'm going to just mention that even 1 or 2 clients can actually justify your monthly subscription cost. Let's have a look over here. Why GoHighLevel is actually worth every single dollar in a summary. First of all, it is an all-in-one consolidation tool. This means it's a CRM, it's a marketing tool, it's a sales tool. You can build funnels, you can manage your phone and your scheduling all in one login and one bill. You saw the pricing outlay. It's really not a lot if you add up what it's actually giving you. You can save hundreds of dollars compared to piecing all of those parts together. From a solo to agency to a full SaaS reseller, you can upgrade when you're ready. This means that you can start out on the starter plan and then you can move on as you are growing and as you are scaling in your own time. And then the last thing that really needs to be mentioned is that it's a trusted and proven system. Thousands of agencies all over the world right now in 2026 are using it to streamline their workflows and literally boost their revenue. Now, my personal advice is to go and research each one of these pricing plans in a deeper manner so that you can fully understand what exactly it is that is giving you. We'll see you next time